So many options. We are you have me. Reach out to me anytime. How's your family? Good you have, because we have holidays next month, right? We have family around. And I feel like to bring a little different spice, yeah, with stretching, yeah, because some people are looking for strength as well, so mixed up everything. Thank you.
But yeah.